Good morning and welcome to the daily 10-minute meditation. Last week, we worked the entire week on just trying to notice the conversations, and we're going to continue that same kind of pattern this week. We're going to step back into our mind and we're going to be witnesses. What you're going to start to realize is there's almost like a dual personality in you. That which is always present, always aware, and noticing everything. And that part of your personality that gets swept away by everything. So we're going to keep bringing ourselves back to the witness. That part of us that is actually witnessing what is occurring, what thoughts are happening. Because it is from the seat of the witness that we are literally doing a step back and can completely connect with divine, with other realms, and be able to retrieve information. So this week, except for the 4th of July, we're going to be focusing on witness. Take a deep breath, just sort of relax, close your eyes. And I should tell those who might be joining us for the first time, we say a prayer of protection. We do a quick meditation with a small silent time. We end with the chime, so you know I will be speaking again. And then we close with the 23rd Psalm. All right, let's get started. Sorry about that. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and just relax into your body. Feel any place that might have some tension. And just notice it. You're witnessing the tension. You're not owning the tension or being a part of it. Take another deep breath and let's begin with our prayer of protection. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. We, again, take a deep breath and just settle in. Move your consciousness sort of back and away. And notice the energy that's around your third eye, between your eyebrows and above on your forehead, and the top of your head. Feel that energy slowly moving into your head, releasing any blocks into your neck, releasing and letting go, surrendering to what is. Move down into your chest and your trunk, into your shoulders and your arms, out your hand and fingers, down your legs, into your feet and into the ground. This energy is always flowing. It literally is the source of all your life. It is the spirit that breathes you, that gives you mercy, joy. It is just sitting there for you to step into and witness what is occurring, not own what is occurring, because what is the only thing real is our connection to God, to the divine. The rest are actors on a stage, including our thoughts. So let's step back into that stream and notice as the thoughts go by, how much time is left in a meditation? Will I make it to work on time? Really, I have to work today? And whenever they go by, notice them. If you choose, but stay as a witness. Say, oh, there goes one of those thoughts. If you get caught up in one, that's okay. That's normal. Just come back to your seat as soon as you're aware of it and settle back in and witness. We will begin. As we start to bring our presence back into our full physical being, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me besides the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Notice the power that comes with this, guys. Try not to label the thoughts if you do this again, or if you when you join us the next time. Just let them be, sit in your seat, watch them go by, don't own them. And you're going to start to notice that there's a lot more freedom in your head, and a lot more space, and a lot more connection to God. Have a beautiful, blessed day, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye.